Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a bag unboxing. So these are bags that are perfect for Valentine's Day, and yes, I'm in my Valentine's attire. You see my rhinestone makeup and my pink top. So I am ready for Valentine's. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, let me know down in the comments below. This was just like a little last minute makeup look and I ended up really loving it, so let me know if you guys want to see it. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, if you guys want to see my unboxing, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so here is my package that I got in the mail. I'm so excited because this company that sent me bags sent me a Valentine themed bag, and I'm so excited to start using it. I'm gonna use it even further than Valentine's because they are just so cute. I think I got 2 in here. So if you guys already know, I do all kinds of bag unboxings, whether it be an affordable bag unboxing, a luxury bag unboxing, or a dupe bag unboxing, and that is what this is. So if you guys are new and you're not into that kind of stuff, you're more than welcome to click out of this video. But I do unboxings for all types of bags. You know, whenever we die, we don't take material things with us, so who cares? Do what makes you happy, buy what makes you happy. It ain't the end of the world, girl. So yeah, I did get some bags from this company. I will put their email in the comments because that is the only way you can get in contact with them. But they have tons of affordable, low-priced bags. So if you guys want to check them out, I will leave their info down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut through it and open this baby up because it's packed pretty tight. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I am down to the second wrapping. If you guys can tell from here, yes, they are both LV bags. I am so excited. I'm very, very excited. So like I said, guys, these bags aren't genuine bags. I'm always gonna be real with you guys about things that I have and where I get my things. Yes, of course, I do own some authentic bags, and I own non-authentic bags, and I own all kinds of bags, you guys. Like I just get what makes me happy, and I know a lot of you guys appreciate my honesty, so I'm always gonna be honest with you guys because there's tons of people on this channel, not on this channel, on YouTube, that will lie and tell you that their bags are real when they're really not. So I'm always gonna be honest with you guys because I don't want you guys to think like, oh my god, she's so rich, she can afford like anything. Like, no girl, I'm just like you. I'm on a budget. Everything that I get, I always try to say on a budget. So yeah, let me go ahead and we got 1 box here. So it is 2 bags that I requested, and here's the second one. Which one should we open first? The little one or the big one? I don't know, I'm excited though. So let's open the little one first. You know, we always have to save the best for last. So let's open the little one first. So let me get this bubble wrap. We have lots of bubble wrap here. Ha ha ha. Okay, here is the first one, and she is heavy, you guys. I am so excited to open this. Okay. Let's open it, girl. So here it is on the inside, and it does come very nicely packaged in her little dust bag. So I'm gonna close my eyes and take it. Remember what happened last time when I closed my eyes? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna close my eyes and take it out. You guys are gonna see it first. I promise I'm not looking. I mean, I already know what the bag is. I haven't seen it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I just died and went to heaven. Oh my god. Oh my god, it probably sounds so annoying. Oh my god, dude, I'm like having a heart attack. My heart's like oh my god, this bag, you guys, look how perfect and pink this bag is. It is like my marshmallow bag that I had showed you guys a few videos ago, but it is all pink and I am obsessed with this. This is going to be the perfect everyday bag. So if you are wanting to gift yourself for Valentine's, or tell your bae, tell your hubby, be like, I want this bag, you're gonna get it for me for Valentine's, so chip chop, order now. So this is a perfect gift for you, baby girl. So we're gonna open it because we're not stopping there. There's also something on the inside, girl. So this is like a two, like it has two bags together. I don't know what this bag is called. I'll have to like search what the bag is called. There's a name to it, but I'll have to search it. Look what comes out. Oh my god, it's another one. It's a baby. Look how cute. Oh my god. I'm going nuts here. Dude, wait. Is there more? Is there more? It's a bag inside a bag inside a bag. Let's see. Oh no, it's just a strap. I'm like, is there another mini bag in here? So it is the strap, and we're gonna open that just in a second. And it does come with a little, you know, a little card that's like, oh, I'm real, but I just told you that it's not. But if I want to trick my cousins and be like, yeah girl, this is real, I still can, unless they watch this, but you know. Truck is passing by, sorry. So here's what the inside looks like. It is just a big pouch, and it has a pocket back here to put your girly essentials. And then the little one is also the same. It's just one big pocket. So that is what she looks like. Oh my god, you guys, this is the... I'm gonna use this bag every day of my life. So I think you are supposed to put these together. I think they're supposed to go together like this. So it's like, if you have more stuff you want to carry around, you can, because they're supposed to go together. Hold on. Let me see what this chain is about, because I've never owned one of these type of bags where it's like two pouches in one. So I think I got it because the little one has like two clasps where you connect it to the bigger bag. So, and then I guess the two chains are optional. Like you can just do this chain if you want it to go on your shoulder and you just want to, like, you know, go out to the club. Or if you want to do it crossbody, you can just use this strap. And I think this is the biggest it goes. So let me see how it would look. Oh, it actually doesn't fit too bad. It like fits like right at my hip. So she's right at the hip, girl. So not too bad. I really, oh my god, you guys, I really like this. And you can definitely just use one if you want, or just use the little one. But I love how they look together, and I love that it came with two options for straps. This is such a good must-have everyday bag. So I highly recommend you guys go and get this. And I love that bag smell. It's like, they do make it with genuine leather, so the leather is real. It's just who manufactures it is not. So it's not like you're getting a cheapy bag. Like, this is real leather, and you can even smell it. Oh, it smells so good. So 10 out of 10, you guys. This is a 10. I am obsessed with this bag. You need it. Go and get it. If you don't, I'm gonna be mad at you. So yeah, I will put the link down below where you guys can find it, and I will link the seller that you can get it from. But here it is again. She is so beautiful. I love it. I'm all gonna strangle my purse. It's so pretty. I'm gonna strangle it. Oh my god. Okay, I need to stop. Okay, let's go to the big one. I lost my scissors. Oh, here they are. I almost poked myself with them, so okay. Let's open the big one now. I'm so excited, you guys, because these bags are so perfect for Valentine's, and then they're also perfect just to have, girl. Like, they ain't gotta be just for Valentine's. So let me open the next one. I'm so excited for this one. When did I become a singer? Should I change careers? And here is the next one. I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Okay. Oh, I kind of opened it already. Should I close my eyes for this one too? Should we? Let's close ours. Well, not y'all, me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna close my eyes. Do you guys see it? Is she cute? Like, do you guys see it? Okay. I don't feel the dust bag. I wonder if she came with a dust bag. Girl? Okay, hold on. Oh, she did come with a dust bag. My room is gonna be so messy. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, I'm excited. Okay, wait. Are you guys ready? Do you guys see it? Is she cute? Is she cute? My heart just stopped. Who knows CPR? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow, my heart, my breath is taken away by this bag. Look how gorgeous is she. Not just the most beautifulest bag you've ever laid your eyes on. Like, okay, so these are the straps. Oh wow, that's a long strap. Okay, so let's open her because I cannot wait anymore. I've waited so long for this bag. Let me open her up. Oh, I just got my nails done, you guys. Guess how much these nails cost? Guess, just guess. $6. I'll show you guys how they look in a minute so you guys can go get them. But I got them at Marshall's 2 days ago and they're only $6. I was like, okay, beauty on a budget. See, I told you guys I'm always on a budget. You guys probably thought, oh my god, those nails probably costed you like $100. They were $6. Okay, anyways, I've made my point, as you guys keep hearing. Okay, so let me take this out. Let me take this out. I'm gonna kill somebody. I'm gonna kill, oh, I can't say that on YouTube. I'm gonna hurt. No, I'm gonna somebody. The inside is red, but I don't care. The bag is so pretty, I don't even care. So look, lookies. The inside is red. Kind of mad about that, but I don't care because the bag is just so beautiful to care, so I don't care. Remember my last video, my last unboxing, I was like, if she's red inside, I'm returning her. I take my words back. I'm not returning. I mean, not that I can, but I'm not getting rid of this because this is just a beautiful bag. Who cares if the inside is red? Who cares? It's cute and you can fit. Okay, so I also have another heart-shaped bag that I've had for like 2-3 years. I'll show it to you guys here in a minute. It's a little bit smaller than this one and my phone can't even fit in there. And my phone can fit in this one, so let me show you guys. So look how easy. Love it. I love it already because automatically you can fit your phone in there. I'll show you guys the other one real quick. I've been using that one a lot. You guys have probably seen it on my Instagram if you follow me there. I've been using that one a lot, but you can't fit your phone in there unless it's a small one. Because I have the Pro Max, so I have the biggest one. I think if you have the smaller version, it might be able to fit, but I'm not sure. Anyways, let me finish opening this one really quick. Okay, so I don't know how the strap operates because it's a little weird. It's like a saddle strap. So I'm gonna have to figure it out later. But I love, 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 love that the body strap is long because I can just put this over my shoulder and go on my merry way. But I am obsessed with this bag. Let me show you guys the other one that I'm using, that I'm talking about. Hold on. Okay, so this is the one that I have currently been using. As you can see the difference. It is definitely a little bit smaller and this one is way wider, so you can fit way more in here. So this one is definitely just as pretty though. I've had this for a long time and it does come, this one comes with the crossbody strap. Sorry, I can't breathe because I just got up and I was like running and screaming from how much I'm obsessed with that bag. This one does come with a crossbody strap. I just don't know where it's at. It's somewhere in my closet. I've been carrying it by the handle. This is the new Wave collection. I think this came out like 2 years ago. but it does come with the crossbody wristlet, and then you could even make it to a belt bag, which is freaking awesome. So you can use this in 3 different ways, but I've just been using it as a wristlet and carrying it because you can't really carry much in there. Let me show you how my phone looks in there. So see, like, no matter in what way I put the phone, like, it would barely fit in there, but it would like suck to get in and out. But if you have the smaller version of your phone, you could fit it in there. But I don't know why I'm showing you this, because I don't even know if it's still available to get. Like I said, I've had this for a few years now, but I just want to show you the difference because I don't think I've ever shown you guys that bag. Well, I haven't shown it to you guys in a while. But yeah, this one you can definitely fit way more. And I just love that it's a perfect shade of nude pink, so you can wear it with anything. And I like that it has 2 straps, so you, or not 2 straps, but like 2 zippers. Like, it has 2 of these, so you zip it on each side, and that's how you close it. So I thought that was really cute. But yeah, that is my unboxings. I'm so excited for these bags, you guys. You're gonna see me using the crap out of these bags, so let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know if you're gonna be getting one of these for yourself. And that was it for my little video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing. I wanted to post something for you guys this Sunday, and I've been doing good with the uploads, so I hope I can keep going. And thank you guys for encouraging me and supporting me throughout my latest uploads. I appreciate it so much. And if you want more unboxings like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to push that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So that was it for this video, you guys. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.